Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. A couple things. I'm not sure if you're applying for the N600 for you or for your 13-year-old. And the N600 is when you acquire or derive citizenship for one reason or another. It is not just a matter of just filling out a form, sending it in, and getting a U.S. passport. It doesn't work like that. Okay, the N600 is just the initial document, the initial form that is submitted. There has to be legal argument and there has to be reasons why you qualify. Not every case qualifies by any stretch of the imagination, and each case is different. The interesting thing about citizenship law is that the law that's in effect at the time that the event occurred is what rules the case. It's not the law as it stands now. It may not be the law that applied to you when you might have applied many years ago. So there's all kinds of factors, and again, it depends on which law is being applied. Some of them have physical presence requirements for the parents. Others, the parents need to be married. Others, they're should be naturalization before a certain time. Others, there needs to be physical presence after. Others, there needs to be ways that the person entered the U.S. I mean, as you can see, there's all kinds of variations as to what qualifies and what doesn't. There's just so many people out there that think that all they have to do is, send in an N600 and that's all that's needed. Like, take, for example, there's a military person, U.S. citizen, that goes into another country, impregnates a woman there, and the woman has the baby. And then 18 years later or whatever, I get an email from the baby, then woman, who says, my father's a U.S. citizen. How can I get my U.S. passport? Well, in cases like that, I need to see if, number one, if they ever married. Number two, if the father legitimated the daughter, meaning, did he provide money, support, visitation? Did he see her a lot? Or did he just disappear and someday she found out that she has a U.S. citizen father who was in the military? If that's the case, then no way derivative citizenship passes. So that's just one example, but there's a lot. Okay?